Paying with a Venmo balance instead of a bank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open up the Venmo application. After that, tap on the Pay button. Here, you need to enter the recipient's name, amount, and note, which is optional. Once you're done, tap on Next. Then, under Payment Method, you need to select Venmo Balance. So after that, tap on the Pay option. Using a Venmo QR code. Open the Venmo app and tap the Scan button. Scan the merchant's Venmo QR code. Then, enter the amount and note. Tap on Next to proceed. So, under Payment Method, you need to select Venmo Balance. Lastly, tap on Pay to send the payment. So that is how you can pay with Venmo instead of your bank.